Hi, I'm DivaJoe500, and this is my best friend Macy, and we are going to do a how to crimp hair video. So, and Macy also has a channel on YouTube.
Hey guys, I'm Macy. On my channel, MaceyTheDancer, I will be doing an assortment of videos. But my main topics are going to be on like dancing and hair tutorials. So check out my channel, MaceyTheDancer. And I don't have many videos yet, but I hope to very shortly.
Okay, so I'll put an annotation on the screen somewhere, and you can check that out. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be an awesome website. And yeah, we're just gonna crimp her hair. So I have here.
This is the guinea pig.
Yeah, she's the guinea pig today. So I'm going to crimp her hair. Already started. So kind of, and yeah, looking pretty good. I sectioned it and I sprayed it with hair protectant. Got to be Guardian Angel, and I just bought that at Walgreens. So
It's great.
and it smells really good. So I'm just gonna spray it all over here, and gonna let it brush it. So like that. Take the Connor, or no, Revlon pepper
It's pretty cool.
and start crimping. And with the crimper, you want to start at the top and do that. And make sure it's pretty hot and stuff. So, yeah, crimps pretty easily. And we can like that to tame it down. Crimping is really fun and funky to do. That I like to do. And yeah. So Macy's channel is going to be on dancing, like she said, because she is an amazing dancer. She goes to Mayville. She goes to Caitlin School Dance, and she's really good. And I've seen her performance. So just crimping away. And it may take some practice. I'm not a pro at it at all. I'm not saying that I am. And make sure to crimp your hair like an hour and a half before you leave to let it like chillax a little bit, because it's pretty wild and crimpy. Unless you want it like this, that's cool too. Going out clubbing or something. And yeah. Okay, so I gotta go all the way over. Okay. So how are you guys? Make sure to share my videos with other people, subscribe, and thumbs up the video, favorite it, and check it out Macy's channel. More stuff. Oh, and I'm also thinking about doing an eyeshadow tutorial soon.
Am I going to be your guinea pig for that one too?
Probably.
Great.
So, yeah, that will be it soon. Um, So the Super Bowl is coming in, and I don't know. Personally, I would prefer having the Dallas Cowboys in there, but they didn't do so hot this season. But I'm actually rooting for Steelers,
Woo woo!
not Green Bay, because who really wants to be a cheesehead?
Right.
Okay, so Macy, tell us more about your channel.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be doing some videos on like how to do certain dance moves. Like, I don't know, you guys probably will not get anything I'm saying right now, but like fouettes and frappes.
She'll explain it all on her channel.
Yeah, it's kind of complicated if you're not a dancer, but and I, not to brag or anything, but I'm really good at hip hop. So if you need some good moves for like an upcoming dance or something, uh, check out my channel. um, I love to do hair and makeup, so I'm guessing quite a few of those will be on there. And yeah, and I'm pretty sure there'll be some random ones with this pen over here.
I'm probably gonna use anything for that one.
Oh yeah. But and today I learned what Nutella is. And okay, I swear to God, it is amazing. Okay? This is my third sandwich, so that's why I haven't eaten it all yet. But try it, it's really good. And I suggest it on white bread. Don't toast it or anything, just put the Nutella on and a lot of it. Okay, I'm done.
Anyway, and a Nutella, it's really good for breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Well, probably have that on some toast, or you can put it on like a waffle. That sounds really good right now.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah. So, and I'm just right now, I'm just giving her some more volume. Okay. Volumize and such. So yeah, and that's how we crimp hair. I mean, if you have any more questions, I'll answer them for you, and gonna get more videos up soon. I've been slacking a lot on this. So, and then check out Macy's channel because it's gonna be awesome. So, peace and love, Steve Joe and Macy.